Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start to make healthy breakfast with potato and eggs. Two crushed potatoes. Convert into a bowl. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix it well. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you like my recipe, please share your opinion into the comment section. Take a pan grease with oil. Pour all the potato mixture. Fry on low to medium flame. Two eggs on room temperature. Mix it well. One teaspoon black pepper. Add into potato. Cover for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, add cheese on the top. Dust some oregano. Cover until cheese will be melted. After 2 minutes, pour into a plate. Look so yummy. If you like this recipe, share with your family or friends. Thank you for watching my video. Stay connected.